I'm Harry,
And I'm Luca.
and this is LAH BMX. And today this is my bike check. Alright, so I've got a 2015 We the People Curse. It's pretty dialed. Doesn't make much noise when you drop it, no matter what. Can take a pretty big beating, I've noticed. You know, still got road tyres, but it manages with our dirt track. You know, we've built it ourselves. Alright, so let's get started. I've got ODI long necks. I ride one brake. It's matte black, We the People. Everything on this bike, apart from the grips, are actually still stock. So there's nothing different to what you would find on a normal We the People Curse apart from the grips. So I've got a Salt stem, Salt headset. I've got a We the People frame and We the People forks. But I've got a Salt front and back rim and hub. I've got Salt cranks and Salt pedals. So yeah, I've got a We the People frame, as I said before, and I've got Salt pegs. They're pretty small, so not too great for grinding. Plus here where we are, there's not much stuff you can grind on. Every curb, everything's too low to grind on, so it's not. I'm probably going to take them off, don't need them. Alright, so Salt cranks, pretty nice chrome, can't get over it really. I've got a Salt strong chain and Salt chain wheel, matte black. I've got a We the People seat and post combo and Salt bottom seat clamp. Alright, and that was my bike check that was my bike check YouTube, and yeah, go follow me to the mini jump, everyone. Everyone that's watching, I don't condone riding without a helmet, but don't seem to have one here. Alright, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. See ya.